Right now, at this very moment, your body is waging a silent war. It's a war you don't feel and often don't even know is happening, but it's crucial for keeping you alive and well. This is the ongoing battle against germs, viruses, and all sorts of microscopic invaders fought by your immune system, the most incredible defense force you never knew you had. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Every day, countless visitors come and go. Some friendly, some not so much. These visitors are like the germs we encounter every day, on our hands, in the air we breathe, even on the food we eat. Most of the time, our body deals with these invaders without us ever knowing. But sometimes, these microscopic foes breach our defenses, leading to infections. Let's say you step on a rusty nail. Ouch! That creates a tiny opening in your skin, a gateway for bacteria to sneak past your body's first line of defense. These bacteria, thinking they've hit the jackpot, start multiplying rapidly, ready to wreak havoc. But your body is no sitting duck. It has an army of cells ready to fight back. Let's meet some of these brave soldiers, shall we? First on the scene are the macrophages, the burly security guards of your body. These cells patrol your tissues, constantly on the lookout for anything suspicious. When they encounter bacteria, they don't hesitate. They engulf the invaders whole, swallowing them up in a process called phagocytosis. Think of them as the hungry hippos of your immune system. Each macrophage can gobble up about 100 bacteria before it's full. This process, while effective, can cause some collateral damage. The area around the wound might get a bit red, swollen and tender. That's inflammation, a sign that the battle is on. But what happens when the macrophages are outnumbered? After all, bacteria are notorious for multiplying quickly. Well, that's when they call for backup. When the going gets tough, the macrophages send out chemical signals like distress calls into the body. These signals, called cytokines, are picked up by other immune cells, like the neutrophils. Think of neutrophils as the riot police of the immune system. They rush to the scene in droves, ready to contain the situation. Neutrophils are particularly good at setting traps and releasing toxic substances to kill bacteria. They are like the demolition crew, sacrificing themselves to neutralize the threat. In about 5 days, they self-destruct, preventing further damage to your body. Talk about dedication. But the battle isn't over yet. The immune system needs to remember this invasion and prepare for future attacks. That's where the dendritic cells come in. These clever cells act like detectives, collecting samples of the bacteria like wanted posters. They then travel to the lymph nodes, the command centers of your immune system. Section 4. The antibody factories. Inside the lymph nodes, the dendritic cells present their findings to the helper T cells, the generals of your immune system. Helper T cells are like master strategists, analyzing the enemy and devising a plan of attack. They do this by inspecting the bacterial samples brought by the dendritic cells. When a helper T cell identifies a match, it gets activated, kind of like flipping a switch. This activated helper T cell then clones itself, creating an army of specialized cells. Some of these clones become memory T cells, storing information about the bacteria for future encounters. The others travel through the bloodstream to activate another crucial player, the B cells. B cells are like antibody factories. Once activated by helper T cells, they produce millions of tiny proteins called antibodies, specifically designed to target the invading bacteria. These antibodies act like homing missiles, latching onto the bacteria and marking them for destruction. Section 5. Total Recall, Immunity and You. While B cells are busy churning out antibodies, another type of T cell, the killer T cell, joins the fray. Killer T cells are like assassins, targeting and destroying cells infected by the bacteria. They are the cleanup crew, ensuring that the infection is completely wiped out. Eventually, thanks to the combined efforts of all these amazing cells, the infection is cleared, the wound heals, and you're back to your old self. None the wiser about the epic battle that just took place inside you. And the best part? Your immune system remembers. Thanks to those memory B and T cells, if the same type of bacteria ever tries to invade again, your body will be ready for them, launching a faster and more efficient attack. So there you have it. A glimpse into the incredible world of your immune system, your own personal bodyguard, working tirelessly day and night to keep you healthy and safe. Next time you get a scratch or a sniffle, take a moment to appreciate these microscopic heroes, fighting silently to protect you.